50 years ago, it was a forest. Now there are no trees. That is why we have to find solutions. ARCOS is an international organization focused on tree planting in landscape restoration, but also improving the livelihoods of the communities. The trees play a big role in carbon sequestration and biodiversity protection. They produce the nutrients for the soil. The tree nursery can have more than 40,000 seedlings, including passion fruit and avocado. One of the cooperatives we are working with is composed of 270 women. We empower them to become the owners of what they are doing and to teach others. Our vision is to see the whole country covered by the diversity of trees.